Hey there, welcome to GunCraft. If you've been watching my channels lately, you know that I've been skipping bullets off of water and then filming it with a high-speed camera. I only had the camera for a week, but I couldn't let the week go by without getting out the 50 BMG. Alright, now here's the question. Can I skip a bullet, a 50 BMG bullet, in that little baby pool? We're gonna find out. We're at 50,000 frames per second. We're about to find out if that pool is going to survive or not. Well, the pool's still there. That's something. So about 2 inches of water is missing from the pool. That was all the way full. Alright, 50 BMG. That's my backstop. That's the camera. That makes me a little bit nervous, but every shot I've done has been straight. You know, it actually angles up slightly higher than it came in, but everyone goes straight down the line. There's no reason hitting that water is going to make it veer left or right. I hope I don't hit that camera. Gotta run over there and hit the trigger real quick so that I get the shot on the high speed. The pool is still standing. Just for reference, here's a .223 round, but this is zoomed in much closer. .223 again with the wider angle. Hey guys, I'm excited to announce I just opened up a Teespring store. I've got both GunCraft and FarmCraft t-shirts. I will leave a link for both of them in the description. Got some pretty nice t-shirts for sale over there and ideas for more designs that are going to be coming in the future. So guys, go over there and check it out. And you know you want to see those 50 shots again. So here you go.